Hello and welcome. Do you want to become a successful businessman? If yes, then this video is for you. I will guide you step by step on how to start and grow your business successfully. Let's get started. The first step to success is your mindset. Believe in yourself and stay positive. Challenges will come, but treat them as opportunities to learn. Remember, failure is not the end, it's a lesson to move forward. Choose a business idea that matches your interests and skills. When you work on something you love, you'll stay motivated and give your best. Understand your market. Who are your customers? What are their needs? How can you solve their problems? Study your competitors and find what makes you unique. A good business needs a solid plan. Write down your goals, your budget, your strategy for sales and marketing. A clear plan will keep you focused and organized. Start with a small investment and focus on delivering quality. As your business grows, reinvest your profits to expand. Remember, every big business started small. Networking is key to success. Connect with other business owners and mentors. Attend events, share ideas, and learn from successful people. Keep track of your income and expenses. Avoid unnecessary spending and always plan your finances. A successful businessman is also a smart money manager. Promote your business effectively. Use social media, advertisements, and word of mouth to reach more customers. Build a strong brand that people trust. The business world is always changing. Stay updated with new trends and technology. Be creative and find ways to improve your products or services. Success doesn't happen overnight. Be patient and work hard every day. Stay consistent, and your efforts will pay off. To summarize, success in business requires passion, planning, hard work, and persistence. Start today, stay focused, and never give up. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.